Hey y'all, it's Bobby and Carol. Today is Saturday, March 12th. It's 10:24 a.m. We were on Highway 82 going east, and it is a winter wonderland in the Mississippi Delta. We got probably about an inch of snow. I know y'all that are north of us got a lot more, but it's pretty chilly out. It's about 35 degrees, and hell, I thought it was spring. Anyway, we're headed east. Carol is with me today.
Hi, everybody.
And I wanted to ask Carol a few questions. Carol, where'd you grow up?
I'm from a little town in Arkansas called Desart. It's just got a couple thousand people. It sits right on the White River. It was a wonderful place to grow up. But I moved here to the Delta in 1972 and been here ever since.
And why did you move here to Lake Village?
Well, I had a sister that actually lived here at the time, and I came to visit her on the school break, and I just about never did go back home.
And how many children do you have?
I have 4 sons. I begat 4 sons.
And how old are they?
They range all the way from, one of them, the youngest just turned 30 a couple of days ago, all the way up to age 47.
And we always joke about if we were standing on the southeast corner of 5th Avenue and 57th Street in New York City, we would always see somebody come by that had a connection to Desart. It seems like that everywhere we go, we see somebody from Desart or that has some kind of connection to Desart.
Yes, that's true, and it is amazing too, because it's like I said, it's only a couple thousand people. So, but anyway, everybody's got roots to Desart.
Thanks, Carol.
All right.
Okay, we're headed east, and we will be in our destination pretty soon.